Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to test and review a service for YouTube views from MediaMister. But did they cheat me? If you're here looking for a real testimonial and review on MediaMister, not just another fake one, you're in the right place. I actually bought their service, tested it on my channel, and I'm gonna show you exactly what it happened. Is MediaMister legit? Did the views stick? Will it hurt my channel? I'll answer all these questions through this video. Let's get started. So MediaMister.com is the website that I tested. They advertise over 100 different services for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Spotify, pretty much every major network. Now for YouTube, they offer different services like views, shares, community pool votes, subscribers, likes, dislikes, growth service, favorites, comments, anything you can think of. For this review, I kept it simple and went for standard use. For this test, I used this specific video that you can see here for my channel. It was sitting at barely 4 views, as I will show you, which was perfect for testing. Here is how the order process first went. I went to find services, and here I searched for YouTube views. Okay? Then you select your package. I went for standard use, and for package I went for one time. Then you can select country, and I selected for United States. They have pretty much almost every country you may desire views from. I chose United States, and then I chose quantity. I went for the 1,000 YouTube views to test purposes. After you choose the quantity that you want, then you add your YouTube video URL. The delivery time listed as 2 to 3 days. I didn't need to provide any login details. All I had to do is paste the YouTube video URL and complete the checkout. Now, another amazing thing is I didn't need to pay with a sketchy way or crypto. I paid immediately with my credit card through Stripe, which feels also safe, and it was fast. Now, I recorded everything for testing purposes. This video had 4 views. And once the order kicked in, the count started moving within a few hours. The great thing is, views didn't come all at once. They came gradually within the next 3 days. By the end of those 3 days, I had over 1,000 views on my video. Right now, my video has 1,047 views. Another amazing thing is that in YouTube Analytics, the traffic sources actually reflected US-based views, which matched what I select at the checkout. One of my biggest concerns was quality. I've used other services before where the average watch time was just a few seconds, which YouTube instantly flags as low quality. This time, the watch time looked natural and normal. Not perfect, but definitely good enough that the views blended in with my organic ones. And here's the key part. The views didn't drop off. Weeks later, they are still coming. As for safety, I haven't had any warnings, bans, or even demonetization flags. The gradual delivery definitely made it feel more organic. I also tested their support. I asked a couple basic questions. Their replies came back quickly and were specific, not just copy-paste responses, which was reassuring. So what I liked about them, ordering was simple and secure. Delivery was spaced out, not dumped all at once, and analytics matched my target country and what I ordered. The views actually stuck to my video. Now, what I didn't like, pricing is a little higher than some competitors. And honestly, I'd love to see them provide more tutorials or FAQs for beginners. So after using Media Mister's service for YouTube use, I'd say is legit and totally worth it. I made my test video look more active, which helps more credibility and reach. It's not some magic button. It's not guaranteed that you will go viral, but compared to the other services I've tried in the past, this one felt most reliable and safest. That's my honest review. If you've used them too, share your experience in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos.